Current Dogelon Mars cost generally is $0.0000025. Elon down roughly 2.51% inside the very most recent 24 hours in every practical sense, significant way. Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 1.42% in a very significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters is Elon in every way that really matters, wise speculation, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Elon specialized examination, sort of allowed us really to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which is genuinely huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in an unpretentious manner. The absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $58,832,899,756, or so they most certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in a genuinely huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, showing how the kind of all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $58,832,899,756, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere near 6.74 and as of now exchanging at $94.12, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem in an extremely significant way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a kind of descending bearing for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a kind of broad most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars execution. The very everyday graph of Dogelon Mars explicitly shows that the Elon cost certainly has a genuinely descending development, with a 2.51% decline in essentially beyond 24 hours, which is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin in every way that really matters is remaining at $0.0000025 with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, showing how 06 January 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now. And in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some things, facts, what by and large is essentially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, truly is Elon for the most part wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars in a by and large significant manner. Dogelon Mars most certainly plays on most certainly a few famous subjects in the image coin space, pretty further appearance how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, showing how the very all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $58,832,899,756 in an especially large manner. Its name really is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the tycoon businessperson who in every practical sense is a candid ally of Doge, or so they truly thought. It suggests Mars, a twist on the essentially well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development, or so they in a real sense thought. Past its fundamentally whimsical name, Dogelon Mars in a real sense has truly figured out how to essentially construct a huge local area with basically in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and sort of in excess of 84,000 supporters on Message, which generally shows that moreover, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Who certainly are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars, which truly is very critical. Very much like in a real sense is the situation for its kind of additional conspicuous and genuinely more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this truly specific canine coin truly are obscure, which essentially is genuinely critical. That generally is an all-around most certainly normal event for image coins, and financial backers truly are very much encouraged truly, because of especially a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins, to sort of try not to succumb to malignant practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, elon truly has been available for by and large a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. What especially makes Dogelon Mars interesting, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars in every practical sense utilizes a silly certainly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which sort of shows that it suggests Mars, a twist on the fundamentally well-known moon image. Suggesting that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development, which most certainly is very critical. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his particularly goes through the stars. Kind of a few in every practical sense, short comics generally are distributed on the coin site that fundamentally follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he essentially meets companions and goes on undertakings, which explicitly shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in every way that really matters, enormous way. Dogelon Mars doesn't basically have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, which sort of is very critical. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will really need to battle for fundamentally endurance against the annihilators, genuinely further appearance how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin truly is recorded on all especially significant trades, the cost of elon will generally reach Mars, or, in especially different words, it will exchange at a sort of much genuinely higher valuation. Pretty further appearance how Dogelon Mars generally utilizes a hilarious truly comic story of Dogelon, the canine